everyone! Today's video we're gonna talk about how to make your own aloe vera gel at home. So if you suffer from pimples or acne scars or sunburn, dry hair, dandruff, well, aloe vera is a one-stop solution for it all. Now you can buy aloe vera gel from the store. This is one that I love using, but the store-bought aloe vera gel usually has preservatives and some color, which we can avoid if we make our own aloe vera gel at home. So let's start. As a first step, let's cut off a leaf from near the base of the plant. Second step is to drain the latex. The latex is nothing but the yellow liquid that oozes out when you cut the leaf. It contains a natural chemical that can cause dermatitis or a localized rash if you're allergic to latex. Also, it can cause stomach discomfort and diarrhea if consumed. So it's best to let it drain out by putting it inside a cup for at least an hour. I usually let it stay overnight. This is what it looks like the next morning. Cut the ends, wash well, and then cut off the serrated edges. Then use small pieces, half it and rub it on your face. If your aloe leaf is pretty small, this should suffice. I prefer the second method and I'll show you how I do it. I usually take a peeler and remove the skin from the curved edge. Then using a knife, I take the gel out, put it in a blender and blend it with a tiny bit of lemon or lime and 1 capsule of vitamin E. The lemon will act as a preservative and keep it good for 1 week in the fridge. I also love adding a bit of rose water to give it a good smell. Try to use it up within a week or it'll go bad after that. I prefer using it at night, and when I wake up my skin looks refreshed and smoother. If you suffer from dandruff, you can transfer the aloe vera essence into a spray bottle like this and spray it on your roots and hair. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then wash it off with cool water. Do try out these remedies and let me know how it worked for you. For me personally, I found that my skin is a bit more hydrated, the redness and acne spots have faded, and overall my skin looks glowing and refreshed. I do hope these remedies will be useful for you. Do subscribe, like and share if they work for you, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next.